cooking methods can be broadly categorized into dry heat and moist heat techniques. Dry heat cooking methods. 1. Grilling, cooking over direct heat, usually on a grill or barbecue. 2. Roasting, cooking in an oven using dry heat, ideal for meats and vegetables. 3. Baking, similar to roasting but typically used for bread, cakes, and pastries. 4. Sautéing, cooking quickly in a small amount of fat over medium-high heat. 5. Frying, cooking in oil, includes deep frying, shallow frying, and pan frying. Moist heat cooking methods. 1. Boiling, cooking food in rapidly bubbling water. 2. Steaming, cooking with steam, preserving nutrients and texture. 3. Poaching, cooking in gently simmering liquid, ideal for eggs and fish. 4. Braising, slow cooking in a small amount of liquid after searing. 5. Stewing, simmering ingredients in liquid for extended periods. Each method affects flavor, texture, and nutritional value, allowing diverse culinary results.